Foreign investment in IT sector in Nepal. The foreign direct investment in IT sector in Nepal requires preliminary approval from the Department of Industry followed by final approval from the Nepal Rastra Bank. What are the industries listed under the categories of IT industry in Nepal? Under the subcategory Information Technology Industry, under category Information Technology, Communication Technology and Information Dissemination Technology Industry, in the Industrial Enterprise Act 2020, the foreign investor has options to establish a subsidiary company under the following industrial classifications. 1. Technology Park. 2. IT Park. 3. Biotech Park. 4. Software Development. 5. Computer and related services. 6. Data processing. 7. Cyber cafe. 8. Digital mapping. 9. Business process outsourcing, knowledge process outsourcing. 10. Data center, data mining, cloud computing. 11. Digital signature certifying agency. 12. Web portal, web designing service, web hosting, online classified advertising service. The foreign investor can apply for foreign investment approval to operate industry with 100% foreign shareholding with any of these objectives as foreign investor finds suitable. What are the procedures applicable for foreign investment approval in IT sector? Step 1. Obtaining foreign investment approval from Department of Industry. Step 2. Incorporation of company at the Office of the Company Registrar. Step 3. Tax registration at the Inland Revenue Office. Step 4. Business registration at the local level ward office. Step 5. Registration of industry at Department of Industry. Step 6. Obtaining non-blacklist certificate from Credit Information Bureau. Step 7. Submission of statutory notice to Nepal Rastra Bank to infuse the investment amount. Step 8. Infusion of investment amount in local bank and obtaining investment certificate. Step 9. Recording of the infused investment amount at the Nepal Rastra Bank. What is the investment threshold for foreign investment in IT sector? There is no minimum investment threshold for the foreign investment in the IT industry pursuant to notice of Ministry of Industry, Commerce and Supplies of Government of Nepal dated 2 October 2023. What are the documents required for foreign investment in the IT sector? 1. Project report outlining the project background, market aspect, technical aspect, financial aspect, details of such funds. Number 2. Biodata or company profile of the foreign investor. Number 3. Passport of foreign investor in case the foreign investor is a person and passport of directors of foreign investor in case of entities. Step 4. Copy of certificate of registration and other registration documents including memorandum of association, articles of association of the foreign investor company. Number 5. Corporate resolution of the foreign investor company to invest in Nepal. Number 6. Financial credibility certificate issued by any bank of the country of the residence or registration of the foreign investor. Number 7. Power of attorney authorizing an individual to complete the approval and registration process at the relevant governmental authorities. What are the government fees applicable for foreign investment in IT sector? For approval of foreign investment at the Department of Industry, refundable guarantee amount of Nepalese rupees 20,000. For company registration at the Office of the Company Registrar, the government fee depends upon authorized capital of the company. For business registration at local level ward office, Nepalese rupees 10,000 to Nepalese rupees 25,000 per year may vary depending on specific local level. For industry registration at the Department of Industry, the government fee is not applicable. What is the timeline for infusion of foreign investment amount? The approved foreign investment amount can be brought at once or in various tranches. Once the investor has obtained the foreign investment approval, the investment amount that must be infused within 1 year of such approval has been stated in the table below. For minimum threshold, Nepalese rupees 20 million, 25% of the total amount must be infused within 1 year. For more than Nepalese rupees 20 million and less than 250 million, 15% of the total amount must be infused within 1 year. From Nepalese rupees 250 million to Nepalese rupees 1 billion, 10% of the total amount must be infused within 1 year. For above Nepalese rupees 1 billion, 5% of the total amount must be infused within 1 year. Further, the approved capital must be infused in the following timeline: 70% of the total foreign investment amount before starting commercial operations, remaining 30% within the next 2 years from the date of commercial operation. What is the timeline for completion of the approval process? It generally takes around 1 to 2 months for the completion of the entire foreign investment and the incorporation process.